As you know, Frank I see kind of a common thing going on here, and as Frank just kind of mentioned, for me, on the security side of the house, and it's around managing large sets of data. So if I just kind of throw some numbers at the VA environment, consolidated, centralized, which is nice from a security perspective, but I'm still trying to manage 380,000 desktops, security for that, 40,000 laptops, 18,000 mobile devices, 21,000 servers, and about 15,000 network devices. And then we're talking about 250 to 400 terabytes a week of data traversing our backbone. There's a lot of information in there, or a lot of data in there. How do I take that data from a security perspective and turn it into usable information? So I have to be able to collect it and distill it down to something in a near real-time environment.
Wow.
So our challenge right now that we're really starting to dive into on a security side of the house is how we're dealing with big data analytics.
Right.
I'm going to go and dig it up somewhere, but I remember saying about 3 or 4 years ago at another organization that we're getting to the point on the security side where we need so much data to be able to prevent and detect attacks that I'm going to need supercomputing-like resources to be able to crunch all this information. And I'm finding that it's becoming very true. With all this data that's coming up, I got to turn it into some usable information that allows us to act very rapidly. For me, on the security side of the house, it's all about getting my mean time to detection down very, very small, so we can detect and then react very, very quick to the issues at hand. The other side of that is storage. What we're finding when we go back and we've had an incident of some type, and you go back and you do post-mortem, you realize that, I wish I had 3 years of logs or 4 years of logs and that sort of information. So storage, and then the analytics to pull the data in from different sources, unstructured data, into something that's usable information is a huge challenge for us. And again, not just IT management, but we're finding on the security side as well.
Yeah, great.